In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord not opening. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to make sure is that you have fully exited Discord. Sometimes if you try to open up Discord and Discord is running in the background or you've got related processes running, this can cause Discord not to open successfully. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner, click onto the arrow down here which says show hidden icons, and if you do see the Discord icon, what you're going to want to do is right click and then click onto quit Discord. At this point, what I would also recommend doing is opening up your task manager. So if you come down to your taskbar down at the bottom, right click and then click to open up the task manager. And what you want to do on background processes is just scroll through until you get to D. And if there's any instances of Discord still running, just simply click onto it and then click onto end task. After doing that, try to launch Discord again to see if the application opens successfully. So another thing you can try is a simple restart of your system. Sometimes this can fix any problems with applications not opening successfully. So all you want to do is click onto the Windows icon down in the bottom left hand corner, click onto the power icon and go ahead and restart your system, and then go ahead and see if you can restart Discord. Also, what I would recommend doing is checking for any available updates for Windows, as an out-of-date Windows system can cause compatibility issues with opening certain apps. So to do that, come down to the bottom left hand corner to your search box and just go ahead and type updates into the search box. Then underneath best match, go ahead and click on check for updates. Now what it's going to do is open up the Windows update screen and it's going to tell you if you're currently up to date or if there's any updates available. If you do have any updates available, what you can do is simply install them, and after installing them, restart your PC and see if you can open up Discord. Another thing you can try is to run Discord as an administrator. So if you look for the Discord icon on your desktop, and what you want to do is right click, and from here you want to come down to the option that says run as administrator. So what you want to do is try clicking that to see if that opens up Discord. But again, if that did not work for you and any of the previous methods did not work for you, what I would recommend doing is a full uninstallation and reinstallation of Discord. So to go ahead and fully uninstall Discord from your system, what you're going to want to do is come down to your search box in the bottom left hand corner, and this time you want to go ahead and type remove programs. Underneath best match, you should see an option which says add or remove program, so click onto this. And from this screen, what you can do is use the search box here and just go ahead and type Discord into here. Next, what you need to do is click onto the Discord app, which should show up, and then go ahead and click the uninstall button. Once you've uninstalled Discord, go ahead and reinstall Discord from the discord.com website, and that should fix the problem and allow you to open up Discord. So that's a couple of things you can try if your Discord is not opening. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.